Halo guys, kembali lagi bersama kami di vlog Marawa Pro Entertainment.
Nah, jadi kami sekarang sedang berada di MTSN 2 Kota Padang. Di sini kami sedang mengerjakan sebuah proyek membuat profil sekolah. Nah, kamu di mana tadi?
Halo guys. Perkenalkan, nama saya Samsudin Wahyunoko Sigono. Saya berasal dari kota Portugal, Madrid. Saya lahir tahun 10 juta tahun ini.
Halo Pak.
Halo.
Bagaimana hari ini Pak?
Oh, hari ini panas berdengkang. Ya, panas berdengkang yang namanya kita dari kota yang dingin sampai di kota Padang itu panas berdengkang. Rasa periuk cindu rasa badan kita dibuatnya kan. Nah gitu guys. Kendala nggak ada, cuma terkadang kalau tempat apa ini kita hawi aja dibuatnya kan. Namanya tempat paneh kan. Nah itu hawi kita dibuatnya. Ini kita belum tentu kakok kita lagi. Belum jelas kakoknya. Pokoknya kita tuntaskan profilnya hari ini. Profil hari ini.
Profil untuk sekolah apa Pak?
Untuk MTSN 2 Kota Padang.
Hari ini ya. Lagi ngapain di MTSN 2 Pak?
Ngapain nih apa saya ngapain di sana? Ngapain?
Apa disuruh apa nyotingkan deh Doto deh Pak? Iya Pak. Iya Pak. Oh gak ada cewek.
Like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, no, this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah, there's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yeah, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.